Your 3D printer may have the perfect slicer settings, the perfect filament, and a perfectly leveled bed. But if your motors and drivers aren't tuned correctly, you'll still experience problems. Layer shifts, missed steps, overheating, excessive noise, and poor print quality. In this video, we'll explain stepper motors, stepper drivers, motor current tuning, and the basic settings every maker should understand. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's get started. What are stepper motors? Stepper motors are the muscles of your 3D printer. They control X-axis movement, Y-axis movement, Z-axis movement, and extrusion. Unlike normal motors, stepper motors move in tiny, precise increments called steps. This precision is what allows a printer to place filament accurately, layer after layer. What do stepper drivers do? The stepper driver sits between the control board and the motor. Its job is to control motor movement, regulate current, manage microstepping, reduce vibration, and improve motion smoothness. Think of the motor as the engine and the driver as the transmission. Without proper driver tuning, the motor can't perform efficiently. Common stepper driver types. A4988. Advantages: cheap, reliable, widely available. Disadvantages: noisy, less smooth movement, often found on older budget printers. TMC2208. Advantages: extremely quiet, smooth motion, and easy upgrades. These became popular because they dramatically reduced printer noise. TMC2209. Advantages: very quiet, higher current capability, sensorless homing support, excellent performance. Many modern printers use TMC2209 drivers. TMC5160. Advantages: high performance, supports large motors, and industrial-grade capability, usually found on premium or custom printers. What is motor current? Stepper drivers send electrical current to motors. The current determines how much torque the motor can generate. Too little current, missed steps, layer shifts, weak extrusion. Too much current, excessive heat. Motor overheating, driver overheating, reduced component lifespan. Finding the correct balance is critical. Signs current is too low. Watch for layer shifts, the print suddenly moves sideways, extruder skipping, the extruder clicks during printing, lost position, the printer fails to reach intended locations, inconsistent movement, motors struggle under load. These symptoms often indicate insufficient motor current. Signs current is too high. Watch for very hot motors. Warm is normal. Too hot to comfortably touch is a warning sign. Driver overheating. Drivers may enter thermal protection mode. Random print failures. Overheated drivers can temporarily shut down. Increased power consumption. Higher current generates unnecessary heat. Understanding VREF. Many printer boards use a parameter called VREF. VREF determines motor current output. Different drivers use different formulas. Examples: A4988, DRV8825, TMC2208, TMC2209. Each driver requires its own current calculations. Always consult the documentation for your specific board and driver. Safe motor temperature. Many users worry when motors feel warm. That's normal. Typical operating temperatures: 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, normal. 60 to 80 degrees Celsius, acceptable. Above 80 degrees, investigate. Cooling and current settings. A motor should not become so hot that prolonged contact is uncomfortable. What is microstepping? A full step motor can be divided into smaller increments. Examples: full step, half step, 1/8 step, 1/16 step, 1/32 step, 1/40 step, 1/256 step. Benefits: smoother motion, reduced vibration, quieter operation. Most modern printers use 1/16 or higher microstepping. Sensorless homing explained. Some TMC drivers support sensorless homing. Instead of using physical switches, the driver detects motor stall conditions. Advantages: fewer wires, cleaner design, simplified assembly. Disadvantages: requires careful tuning, can be less reliable in some setups. Many Core Y printers use this feature. Driver cooling matters. Even perfectly tuned drivers need cooling. Important factors: mainboard fan operation, airflow around drivers, ambient temperature, and enclosed printer environments. Driver overheating can cause problems that look like firmware or mechanical failures. Motor tuning procedure. A simple approach. Step 1. Start with manufacturer recommended current. Step 2. Print a test model. Step 3. Monitor motor temperatures. Step 4. Check for skipped steps. Step 5. Increase or decrease current in small increments. Step 6. Repeat testing until performance is stable. Small changes often produce large improvements. Common beginner mistakes. Increasing current excessively. More current doesn't always mean better performance. Ignoring cooling. Cooling is just as important as current settings. Copying someone else's values. Different motors require different settings. Changing multiple settings at once. Adjust one parameter at a time. Recommended driver upgrades. If your printer uses A4988 drivers, a TMC 2209 upgrade often provides quieter printing, smoother motion, better reliability, and advanced features. It's one of the most noticeable upgrades available for many printers. Stepper motors and drivers play a huge role in print quality. Proper tuning helps prevent layer shifts, missed steps, overheating, excessive noise. Understanding motor current, VREF, microstepping, and cooling will help your printer run smoother, quieter, and more reliably. Even small adjustments can dramatically improve performance. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!